Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another very short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can reset or make format our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So for that, let us begin. Let us go first to our settings option, and we can do that by making a right click here in our Windows icon and then go to settings, or we can also make a search here in the Windows search tab and type settings. Once you do that, you will see under best match the settings option, so please click on that. And then once you do that, you will see here in the left pane at the very bottom part, you will see the Windows update option, so please click on that. And then you will see here the update history advanced option, so please click on the advanced options, delivery optimization, optional updates, active hours, and other update settings, so please click on that. Once you do that, you will see here the receive updates for other Microsoft products. So we will not change anything here. We will just go to additional options where we can find the recovery options, reset, advanced startup, and go back. So please click on that. And once you do that, you will see under recovery options, the reset this PC option here. Choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. So please click on this reset PC option. Once you do that, this blue screen or blue window will be coming up on your screen. Here, we will have to choose an option whether we will keep my files, removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files, or if you don't have anything important in your device, you can also choose the remove everything option. Removes all of your personal files, apps, and settings. So you can, or if you don't know what to choose, you can click this help me choose button here at the very bottom part. So just please click on the keep my files. Once you do that, it will now get things ready and it won't take long. So let's just please wait for it to be done. Once it's done, you will see here another question: how would you like to reinstall Windows? If you choose the cloud download, it will download and reinstall Windows, and if you choose the local reinstall, it will reinstall Windows from this device. So cloud download can use more than 4 gigabytes of data, so just please make sure that you have enough space in your device. Okay, so you can also if you don't know what to choose, you can also click this help me choose button here at the very bottom part. Now if you want to choose this cloud download, just click on that, and then we have here the additional settings. So for the current settings, restore apps and settings which came with this PC, and you can download and reinstall Windows. So you can also change settings by clicking this change settings button here. And again, another reminder that cloud download can use more than 4 gigabytes of data. So once you're sure that you want to reset this PC and download the Windows update or choose the cloud download, then just click on this next button here and your device will restart a couple of times, and once it's done restarting, then it will now reinstall the Windows that is needed for your device, and you will see that your PC will be formatted or reset. Okay, so once you're done, then you're good to go. And if you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.